Join me as I explore Warsaw's hidden gems and see if I can find the city's best-kept secret neighborhoods. Warsaw, the capital of Poland, is a city with a rich history and a plethora of exciting places to visit. But I want to let you in on a little secret. Beyond the popular tourist areas, there are some amazing neighborhoods that are waiting to be discovered. These lesser-known areas are worth exploring, and I'm excited to share them with you. Many people think that only the popular areas of Warsaw, like the Old Town and Royal Castle, are worth visiting. But this couldn't be further from the truth. By only sticking to the well-trodden path, you're missing out on so much of what makes Warsaw special. The city's hidden gems are often overlooked by tourists, and that's exactly what makes them so charming. From quaint cafes to vibrant street art, there's so much to explore beyond the main tourist areas. Another misconception is that Warsaw's popular areas are the only places with history and culture. While it's true that they have a lot to offer, the lesser-known neighborhoods are also steeped in history and culture. They may not have the same level of fame, but they're definitely worth a visit. In fact, some of these neighborhoods have been around for centuries, and they offer a glimpse into a different side of Warsaw. The good news is that it's easy to stumble upon these hidden gems. You don't need a map or a guide, just a willingness to explore and get a little lost. And when you do, you'll be rewarded with a more authentic experience of the city. So, be sure to keep an eye out for the lesser-known neighborhoods on your next visit to Warsaw. So, let's dive into some of these secret neighborhoods. One of my favorites is Żoliborz, a charming area located just north of the city center. This neighborhood is known for its beautiful parks, historic architecture, and trendy cafes. It's the perfect place to spend a lazy Sunday afternoon exploring the local shops and restaurants. Another neighborhood worth checking out is Mokotów, which is famous for its picturesque streets, quaint shops, and lively atmosphere. Wilanów is another neighborhood that's definitely worth a visit. This area is known for its stunning Baroque palaces, beautiful gardens, and vibrant cultural scene. And if you're looking for something a bit more off the beaten path, be sure to check out the neighborhood of Białowieża, which is located on the outskirts of the city. This area is a hidden gem with its charming streets, historic buildings, and lively community. One of my favorite memories of exploring Warsaw's hidden gems was when I stumbled upon a tiny cafe in Żoliborz. I had been wandering the streets for hours and I was getting a bit peckish. That's when I saw this tiny sign that said Kawiarnia. It was a small cafe tucked away on a quiet street. I popped inside and it was like stepping into a different world. The atmosphere was cozy and intimate, and the coffee was amazing. I ended up spending hours there, chatting with the locals and soaking up the atmosphere. That experience really summed up the charm of Warsaw's hidden neighborhoods for me. They're places where you can experience the real Warsaw without the crowds and the touristy vibe, and they're definitely worth exploring if you want to get a true feel for the city. So, there you have it, a few of Warsaw's best-kept secret neighborhoods. I hope I've inspired you to venture off the beaten path and explore some of the city's lesser-known areas. If you've got a favorite hidden spot in Warsaw, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about Polish culture, be sure to check out my other video on the topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before we jump in, if you want the cheapest flights to Warsaw, just use the Cheap Flights app. Android plus iOS links are in the description.